At Fixit Design, we don't just lay carpets. We build comfort, elegance, and warmth into every space we touch. What you're about to see isn't a catalog. These are our real carpet projects, delivered by our in-house team, crafted with care and finished with pride. From luxurious wall-to-wall bedroom carpeting, to custom-designed carpets that elevate living rooms and matchless areas. At Fixit Design, we've turned ordinary floors into warm, inviting, and stylish spaces. Fixit Design brings the most unique collection of office carpet tiles and rolls to improve your workspace surroundings for maximum comfort, insulation, and style. The feeling of sinking your feet into softness never gets old. In workspaces and offices, we install durable carpet tiles. Handpicked for their stain resistance, acoustic insulation, and clean, modern aesthetics. They're practical, sleek, and perfect for high traffic zones. For formal lounges and sitting areas, we specialize in classic, richly woven carpets. Each one tailored to fit the room's exact measurements. The result? A seamless look that feels curated and designer approved. Looking for the best stair carpet near me? Fixit Design has got you completely. We've come up with the finest variety of carpets made from synthetic, natural, and recyclable materials and their combinations. No slipping, no loose edges, just a clean, secure finish. And for families with little ones, we offer safe, hypoallergenic carpet options. Soft enough for crawling and playing, and easy enough for daily cleaning. Because comfort should never come at the cost of peace of mind. Each carpet project begins with understanding your space. Then, our trained team handles everything from precise measurement and expert cutting to flawless installation. There's no outsourcing, no rush jobs. Just Fixit Design's signature clean finishes, perfect fittings, and premium materials every time. So whether you're redoing a single room or furnishing an entire home, trust the team that's done it time and time again. Fixit Design, where every carpet is a promise of comfort and quality.